Hello, welcome to my discussion concerning internet for my internet development class. We had to create two different web pages, one using just HTML and the second one will use HTML with CSS. Right now my first site is being posted. It's a welcome to the world, healing through cannabis sativa. And then the second one is with the image stating healing through cannabis sativa with my address. It basically saying founded in 2017, healing through cannabis sativa was created to serve those who like to use a natural alternative healing method. As cannabis sativa become legal in the United States, I'm convinced that cannabis have healing power from relieving pain to stopping nausea in cancer patients, and is pushing for more research of cannabis sativa healing power. My company many companies talk about cannabis do not offer the customer service that we offer. Healing through cannabis sativa is in existence to truly serve all the needs of our customer. Healing through cannabis website offer an array of products from books and multimedia to cannabis edibles to different beauty and health products. Continuing researching cannabis is our main goal to help our customer the natural way. Thank you, and I'll be back.